Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in the community of Inspirata, and we're going to be checking homes out by Lennar, and we're in the community of Luca 1 and 2. And for today's property tour, we're going to preview floor plan Pioneer. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you want to stay up to date with all the new builds here in the Las Vegas area, consider subscribing. Tap that notification bell. That way, you're the first to learn on any upcoming builds here in the Las Vegas area. Also, guys, we get calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to either purchase a new build or even a resale home. So whatever it is, we absolutely love it. So whether you're 7 days, 90 days, 6 months, a year, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, or let's schedule a Zoom meeting with us. We'll definitely be glad to help you make that next purchase on your home. Now let's get started. All right, guys, so here we have floor plan Pioneer. And before we get started, I just did a video on that one right there with that RV garage, guys. If you want to check it out, I'll have the link on your top right-hand screen so you can take a look at it. But definitely recommend checking this one out first. This is what you call a next-gen home, which essentially it is a home inside your home. And I definitely can't wait to show you guys. So stay to the end of this video so you can check it out. Also, there's a total of 6 different floor plans here in this community. There's only 4 models, and this is a mixture of Luca 1 and 2 by Lennar Homes. If you're not too familiar where this community is located, it's located in Inspirata in the city of Henderson. So this isn't an HOA community, and HOA is only $105 a month, guys. Definitely a lot of construction going on right now. It is not gated. So let's get started with this one. So this one's Pioneer. It's a next gen home, like I mentioned, a home inside your home. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3-bay garage, and starting price is at $712,990. As I'm making this video, they do have some quick-in move-ins priced at $744,354. So if that is something you're interested, my contact info is in the description below, so don't hesitate to reach out. In here with the Luca, they do have another floor plan that's available in the single story that's not on display. But I'll have all these homes. If you want to check them out, I'll have the communities in the description below, so that way you can see all the floor plans. And once you click that link, depending on when you watch it, prices are subject to change and those prices will be updated. All right, so let's go and check it out. As you notice, it is a single story home, 3-car garage, and it has different elevations to pick from, guys. So if you don't like the front of this look, there's different options. So don't freak out. All right, so here we have the, like I mentioned, Pioneer. That's the property info, and it is a next gen, guys. Check it out. We do have the pavers on the driveway. I'm not too sure if all models will have this in between right here. I don't know if they're just doing it for the model home or what, but I could definitely find out. I mean, me personally, I would just want all this paved out, just because, I mean, who tends to park perfectly, guys? So this will give you that extra, I don't know, 3 feet. Okay, let's go inside and take a look. So it has a nice arch here in your front entryway. You have the nice 8-foot French doors. Let's go inside. All right. So it does have the 9-foot ceilings on this one. You have the ceramic tile throughout. And before we get started, here's the disclaimer by Lennar. Upgraded items throughout the model. Items may include cabinets, countertops, backsplash, flooring, paint, wallpaper, lighting, etc. So if you want more information on exactly what's an upgrade, definitely reach out to me, and we could set an appointment and walk you through that. Ceramic tile, and here to the right, you have 2 bedrooms, and let's knock these out first since we're here. So we'll do this one first. So this is the first bedroom. Give you a view from here. Then in between this bedroom and bedroom number 2, you do have a full bathroom right here. You have a single sink, your toilet, your tub, stand-up shower. Then right here to the left of it, you have a coat closet. So you come in, walk the door, you can hang your coat right here. And here's the second bedroom. Then there's another view. Let's continue this tour, guys. So let me give you guys a quick recap. So if you go straight over there, your living room, kitchen area, that's what we just walked in right here. That's where those 2 bedrooms were on that side. All right. So look at this, guys. So we'll start off with this kitchen, guys. I like how they did like the all white. Are you a fan of the all white? What color would you go with if you don't like the white? Let me know in the comments below. So you have the quartz countertop, easy seats right now. You see about 3 people. You got your stove, your microwave. This side you got the quartz countertop as well with the tile backsplash. Got your sink right here, undermount sink, your dishwasher. And if you're washing dish, that over there is that next gen. I cannot wait to show you guys. So that is your kitchen right here. Would this be your ideal kitchen? Yes or no? Let me know. Then right here, you have your pantry. So not too big. I mean, a house being a little short of 2,500 square feet and you get a pantry like this, I don't know. I wish it was bigger. That's just me though. And over here you have your living room area. I would say it's plenty of space. And here to the right, you have your dining area. Spacious as well. So what do you guys think? Let me actually go to this corner over here and show you a view from here. That is your backyard, and we'll see that in just a second. Yay or nay? All right. So let me actually see. No, Lennar always locks their doors. Yeah, can't go. So we'll see if we can sneak in when we check out that next gen. I know we could go out through the side. We'll see if I could walk around and show you guys that backyard. But first, let's knock out this primary bedroom. Here's your primary bedroom. Plenty of space to even fit a couch. That's how big this primary bedroom is. That window right there is facing the backyard. here is your primary bathroom, guys. Dual sinks, ceramic tile flooring. You have the combo stand up with the bath tub. And here you have your toilet. Right over here you have your walk-in closet. Show you guys a view from here. What do you guys think of this primary bathroom? Let me know in the comments below. Now, let's go and check out that next gen. Like I mentioned, to simplify it, it's like a home inside another home. And let me show you what I mean. So, we actually have the laundry room here. We'll just show you that in just a second, but let me explain this. So this door right here, that one right there, it doesn't have one because it's a model home right now. You could close that shut, lock it, deadbolt, have no access. Because this next gen suite is gonna have its own entrance. As in you can see that door right there, that's gonna be the in and out through the side of the house. And I'll show you guys that in just a second. But before we go in here, let me show you guys right here is the laundry room real quick. Also, if you want to purchase your washer and dryer with Lennar, it is optional. That right there is to your garage. Unfortunately, we do not have access because they are using it as a sales office. So now back to this next gen. Like I said, you could close this off. So let's walk in and pretend we close this door. Boom, door closed. That door is now closed. Now this, you'll have a living room area and a kitchenette. Your own private in and out entrance right here. Let me show you guys a view from here. Pretty cool. So you have the quartz countertop as well with your sink, your refrigerator, microwave, little dining area, living room. Isn't this awesome, guys? I mean, it definitely isn't for everyone, but some people want them. We're not done yet, guys. So now you have your own bedroom as well. So it just keeps getting better. So you got your own bedroom, living room area, dining area, kitchenette, refrigerator. Like, man, if I was in here, it'd be hard to get me out of here, especially if I was young. Maybe if you have kids, your mother-in-law, father-in-law, brother, sister, cousin, friend, this would be a nice option for them to stay in. We're not done yet, guys. Now you have your own walk-in closet with stackable washer and dryer hookup right here in this closet. So you don't even have to use the primary house's washer and dryer. You'll have your own. Pretty cool in my opinion, guys. We're not done yet. You'll have your own full bathroom, guys. Your single sink, your toilet, and your stand-up shower. I won't show you too much because it is being used. That's a public restroom, so just give you a peek from here, guys. And let's check out this entrance, guys. So you won't even have to come in through the front of the house. What you'll do is you'll come through here. So also right there, that's access to the garage as well. So you can have access from this side as well, in and out. I just can't show you. So that's that gate. So you come in here, open your door, and you come home. So you won't even have to go to the front door. It's pretty cool. And it's covered right here as well. So you could come out here and even set your own bench right here. Just chill. It's a neat option, guys. Let's show you guys the backyard now that I'm right here. Here's your backyard. As we check out this backyard, keep in mind, guys, you're not gonna get this landscaping. You're just gonna get a clean slate, just dirt, clean canvas to do it how you wish. But I mean, looking at these model homes, I mean, definitely helps get inspired and get ideas. Yeah, guys. What do you guys think? If you guys are enjoying this property tour, smash that like button, hit that notification bell. That way, you're the first to learn on any upcoming new builds, guys. Also, guys, if you guys are looking to purchase a new build home and you want outside representation away from the builder, and you want a realtor like myself to represent you, it's very essential that we come with you on the first visit. If you show up without us, the builder, I won't say they won't, but it's very difficult to allow us to represent you. Doesn't mean we can't give you advice away, but I recommend just coming with us on that first visit, guys, to make things easier. So now, let's go back inside to that next gen. So that's that gate I told you, go in and out. But yeah, I mean, I think this is a pretty neat feature. I mean, especially someone that's maybe trying to rent it out, hop with that mortgage with these high interest rates. I think this would be a nice option to, of course, rent out to a family member, friend. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, guys, well, this concludes this property tour. If you guys enjoyed it, do me a favor, smash that like button, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys.